Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Rengkat berok kawai gari, hene kasngi ke katsan terik unailar, ke jala jungiru ke larakhe kasngi yo lailon ke bah nyopwe jong kari India, na ka jing sensyar ki dok liek kari bilan. Ya ka jing rakhe ye kani kasngi krau jong kari, hanong ba shalong la pelong hamadan second ground polo, ke belong ru ke jing rakhe ke bahek du ha kani ke jala. Kumba julong man laus nem, ha ke jing rakhe ha kanong ba tre rang ba ke jala ulashem ye ke benta kum kongsan ban kentiau ye kalama lairong jong kari, bat shemru ye ka saliut na ki kenhon ki bayat paren. Hene kasngi ru ye kani ke benta la shem do menteri rang ba Dr. Mukul Sama, rengkat ke jing lang ki wede ki menteri sarkar, ki bor punya district, ki hair officer jong ka sarkar jela, bat lawan ban pensyongkon nya kani ke jing rakhe da ke jingwan tu ki paj ba nong snong na keleng kanong ba ban sakhi ye ki program ba pher ki bala pelong hapo kani ke madan. Mentau senam keladan arpau tuli ki kenhon ki belai shem mentah ha kajing yai paret. Bat nakine pratuli ki dai kenhon na ki skol baper kanang ba. Ki kenhon ki belai shem mentah ne kasngi ha ka paret ki kentop ya ka kenhon jong ka 58 Gorkha Training Center, ka Central Reserve Police Force, ka DEF, ka SF10, ka Border Wing Home Guard, ka kenhon jong ka Bharat Scouts and Guides, nang ta ka kenhon jong ka National Cadet Corps, ka Indian Red Cross Society, nang ta ka kenhon ka bai khlelang ha padang ka Brass and Pipe Band jong ka Border Wing Home Guard, nang ta ka BSF, Assam Rifle bat ka Military Band jong ka 58 GTC. Kat ba na ki skol pa la shimenta da ka skol jong ka BSF Secondary School, ka Pine Mount School, ka Army Public School, ka Holy Cross Secondary School, ka Little Flower School, ka Loreto Convent, ka Assam Rifles Public School, ka Meghalaya Police Public School, bat ya ka paret layalam do commander jong ka 58 Gorkha Training Center, u Major Sandeep Haldar, bat u second in command inspector jong ka DEF u RC Borderlay.
Following the contingent of the BSF Senior Secondary School is the Pine Mount School Shillong, which is being led by Janela Vidatarian, flag bearer Kerfan Meda Dakar and plakat bearer Zenpa Rizan Kurban. On this auspicious occasion of the 71st Independence Day, I extend my heartiest greetings to the people of Meghalaya and all the citizens of the country. It is a proud occasion for us, a time when we celebrate our freedom as an independent nation, freedom which has been achieved after a long period of struggle and sacrifice of countless men and women. This is also a solemn occasion when we, the people of Meghalaya, remember and recollect with gratitude the contribution of the great sons and daughters of India like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and many others who provided the leadership to liberate the country from foreign rule. We also remember and recollect with strong sense of pride the personal contributions by the patriots of our own state, U Tirot Singh, U Kyang Nongba, Padhogan Sangma, and others for their selfless sacrifice in the struggle against colonial rule. The law and order situation in the state is by and large peaceful. All national days are being observed peacefully with due decorum. All festivals are being celebrated with traditional fervor and gaiety. However, the matter relating to railway construction works between Tetilia and Barnihat was objected by some NGOs, which had affected to some extent the law and order situation, especially in the district of Ripon. Government has taken all necessary steps to tackle the situation and to maintain law and order at any cost.
Hakani ka jelang rakhe ya ka singlai lo ka ba nyu poi jong kari la sam kus nam ru sha bon ngot ki breu ki blasan yang ya ka emlang sa alang haki banta ba pher kan thop ru ya ki to ki bawara nam ya ka jalla la kalong ha ka kam ba ki trei ki jela kai ba leng ba ki sap ki phangjong ki khus nam ki balsam hane ka sngi ki kan thop ya ka district appreciation awards ka district incentive award bat ka district best odf awards bat hakani ka jelang la panpana ru ka kerteng jong ki to ki ban yo priang ya ka police medal for gallantry.
We would also now like to announce the winners of
together.
And the first prize, the winners of today's March Past, goes to Loreto Convent, Shillong. Congratulate all the 3 schools that have won today's March Past. However, all the other schools that have relentlessly participated in today's parade, you also deserve a big congratulations.